Namaste to all viewers. Myself Suman from Krishna Pulse, road number 36, located near Metro Station, Hyderabad. Today I will show you a very beautiful gold chains with matching earrings. Shall we start? See, this very beautiful chain studded with South Sea pearls with emerald and tanzanite stone. This is not blue sapphire, tanzanite stone. See how beautiful design. See the design. This is totally done by our workers. See how beautiful is this. And if we see how it is looking nice, very beautiful piece. If we put a backside dory, it will useful for both genders, ladies and gents also. See, the tangenites are also in tarbuja shape. Very beautiful cutting in this. See the clarity of the stones, and you know the South Sea pearls. These are the world's premium quality pearls. See the workmanship. Here total purely 22 carats gold hallmarking. These are our very exclusive designs. You can see how beautiful is this. Just see, and you will get a beautiful matching hanging with tanzanite, South Sea pearl, and gold ball, long hanging. It looks both traditional and modern. A beautiful piece. And next we will see a very exclusive design chain. Looks like simple, but this is called as very premium quality pearls. Premium quality pearls, Basra pearls. I think all of you know about the Basra pearls. These are the world's beautiful pearls. See how beautiful is this. And see here also, this is also totally purely 22 carats gold with hallmarking. See, there are so many rows, totally studded in gold. These are very exclusive pearls. And this is in this gold is 85 grams, and this is approximately 8,10,000 price, because due to the Basra pearls this cost is like this. See how beautiful. This is also useful for both genders, ladies and gents, especially for marriages. Very exclusive one. Beautiful piece. If you want a matching jhumka, very beautiful Nakshi design. See, these are separate. You can change the designs also if you want, and we will do the customize also. If you give any design, specific design, we will make and give you in this, in that. And in this also gold is 18 grams gold. Price is around 1,21,000. Beautiful cap type shape. And next we will see one more beautiful, very tiniest pearls. These are called as kakamoti pearls, and in between we are used latestly, our workers made the design, our designers made like this gold balls. You are not seen this type of design previously, and you can see here with all CZ stones, colorful stones in between jades. Very beautiful chain. This is also studded in purely 22 carats gold with hallmark. And in back side we are provided a dory. With this you can increase or decrease the length. See how beautiful is this. This is also for multiple purpose use, both ladies and gents can wear. See, this very, that's why our Krishna Jewelers is very famous for this type of exclusive jewelries. Awesome piece, this is very beautiful piece. See how it looks, very very beautiful piece. See, if you want to see closely, see, uneven shape pearls, little bit called as kakamoti pearls, very looks like complete natural. And in this main highlight is this pendant, we are designed like this with peacocks and red and green stone combination, white stones, beautiful design. This is one of our exclusive design. And in this also we are provide the option for a gold hangings studded with color stones, with white color and red color and green color stones, with natural freshwater pearls. See, it looks a stud and hanging, both are available. This is also studded in purely 22 carats gold hallmark. Beautiful piece. And next we will see a beautiful choker, see, with goddess Lakshmi Nakshi design and very very complete round and good luster pearls. On that newly we are introduced the gold balls. Previously we have no this facility right now. And see the gold cutting also, how this is made just like a grapes design in between with red color stones. Beautiful piece. And we have provided the polish just like antique finish here. See, in this also we provided the dory backside. For this it is easy for you to increase or decrease the length. If you want chain, gold chain backside also we will give. And see how beautiful it is looking. Beautiful, especially for marriages and special occasions. This looks very awesome piece, beautiful piece. And see, once we will see closely, look. Beautiful piece. And for this also we provide a beautiful jhumkas, big. It looks like big size, but this is in very lightweight. The upper side is studded as goddess Lakshmi with antique finish. Downwards natural freshwater pearls with Nakshi design. See how beautiful. In the middle we are used the filigree work also. Very natural and good. In this very less weight is just 14.5 grams only, net gold weight, but it is looking around 50 grams weight one. Very beautiful piece, exactly matches for this. And next a beautiful chain with Nakshi design. In between 5 rows, 2 rows are in ruby and 3 rows are with premium quality champagne color pearls. In between ruby stones. See, this is in completely with Nakshi design. And in this net weight is 55 grams. See how beautiful for this also studded in purely 22 carats gold. 22 carats gold with hallmarking. See that this is also, we are given little bit dull finish, antique finish, because now fashion is going like this. And pearls are 3 rows, 3 different sizes, and rubies are uncut ruby stones. We will see closely, we will see this one. See how beautiful, see the stones clarity and pulse luster, especially in this the pulse luster is very fine quality ones. And in between with ruby stones we are added the gold flowers, it is giving more highlight, just like sparklings are coming. And see how beautiful, you can see beautiful piece. See the glitters in front of lights. And this is also useful for both ladies and gents. If you put the dori backside, it will increase the length. Sherwanis for gents also, it is looking very beautiful. Awesome, one of the special design of our designers made. Especially this is called as Krishna Pulse design. For this also very different type of jhumkas we are provided. See, single jhumka you will see normally, but here is added two jhumkas. It looks very beautiful. Antique finish we are given, and matte finish also. Gold is also matte finish with natural freshwater pulse and gold beads. This is also studded in purely 22 carats gold with hallmarking, and this gold weight is 32 grams. Little bit heavy, but design is very beautiful. Awesome. See, this is one of the special pieces. What the designs I will show today is all are unique designs, not regular designs. And especially we are providing a special discount on pearls and making charges also. Very beautiful, awesome piece. Beautiful piece. And last I will show you a beautiful choker. See how beautiful with onyx beads, and we are added 5 brooches in this. It becomes a choker with CJets and pearls. You can see. In the back side we are provided dori. It is possible to increase or decrease the length. See how beautiful, simple and nice. Very simple. And these stones are also very in cut stones, cut onyx stones with natural freshwater pearls and CJets. See, this is choker length. Very beautiful piece. One of the, for small functions and small occasions also, it looks very beautiful. This is also studded in purely 22 carats gold with hallmarking. On back side we have provided the dori. So length is not a problem. It is the neck size. According to that you can adjust this one. You can see closely once. See, very beautiful piece. And in this is also very less weight. Total gold weight is 8 grams only in this. Around 95,000 is the price. Very beautiful for CJets and pearls and stones. We are using the onyx stones, so that's why this price is in. It came in very less. Very beautiful for small occasions, functions. See how beautiful. And we will customize it also. You can available in red stone also, blue stones also, whatever the design. If you want to change here stone color in front, this is red. If you want green or blue also, we will provide. We will customize all the designs also. And see once again our designs one by one. This is South Sea pearls and tanzanite gold chain. We will provide the matching earrings with South Sea and tanzanite hanging. And next is the premium quality Basra pearls gold chain, long chain. This is matching with a different type of jhumka. And next is very kakamoti pearls in between gold bars. And this is a very big pendant with CJets and green stones. Very beautiful piece. Each piece is a unique piece. For this provide a different type of hangings. A beautiful piece. Next is choker with goddess Lakshmi and natural freshwater pearls and red stones. Very beautiful choker, especially for functions, marriages. For this we have provided a very lightweight jhumka. Looks like very heavyweight with antique finish. Very beautiful piece. And then with complete Nakshi work with goddess Lakshmi and rubies and premium quality pearls. See, totally with the antique finish. Very beautiful, beautiful piece, long chain. And almost these are useful for both ladies and gents. For that, we have provided a very different type of jhumka to 2 rows. Very exclusive piece in matte finish. See how beautiful is this? Different, totally different. If you wear it, looks very beautiful, awesome, special design of ours. And then last, a very beautiful choker with very less weight, 8 grams only, with green onyx stones and red and white sea jets with natural freshwater pearls. Just we are added 5 brooches, it becomes a chain. Very beautiful piece. See, for all these we are provided the door is backside. It is very easy to increase or decrease the length, whatever the size according to height or neck sizes. Very beautiful piece. For more queries, if you want, please contact our Krishna Palace Jubilee Hills branch, Hyderabad, and we have provided free shipping all over India. And our WhatsApp number is 9248036721, and our website is www.krishnapulse.com. For more designs, follow our Instagram and Facebook lives. Thank you very much to all viewers. Hi. See once our designs again.